In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. If you want to make your design look more dynamic, playful, or polished, curving text is a simple effect that can make a big visual difference. It's especially useful for logos, badges, social media graphics, invitations, and any layout where straight text feels a little too plain. The good news is that Canva makes this process very quick once you know where to find the setting. To begin, open your Canva design and click on the text that you want to curve. Make sure the text box itself is selected, because the curve effect only appears when Canva knows you're actively editing a text element. If nothing happens at first, just click directly on the words or the edge of the text box until you see the editing controls appear. Once your text is selected, go to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva groups together several text styling options, and it's the place you'll use to apply visual changes like shadows, lifts, and curves. After opening that panel, look for the Shapes section and choose Curve. As soon as you click it, Canva will automatically apply a curved style to your selected text. Next, use the Curve slider to control the direction and intensity of the bend. Dragging the slider one way will curve the text in one direction, while moving it the other way will reverse the curve. A subtle curve can give your design a clean, professional touch, while a stronger curve can create a more dramatic or decorative look. Take your time here and adjust it gradually so you can clearly see what works best with your layout. After that, fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the font size and spacing. This part is important because curved text can sometimes feel too tight or too wide, depending on the font you're using. If the text looks crowded, increase the spacing a little. If the curve feels too stretched, try reducing the size or testing a different balance between size and letter spacing. Small adjustments can make the final result look much smoother and easier to read. As you make these changes, keep the overall design in mind. Curved text should complement your graphic, not overpower it. Try to aim for a look that feels intentional and balanced within the rest of your design. And that's it. With just a few quick adjustments, you can curve text in Canva and give your design a more customized and eye-catching style.